They just want one or two pictures with
The
us.
only girl, Kiara Advani.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Bye.
Kiara, tell us what it was like to take to the stage, being the only girl sporting this only look. Tell us all about it.
Well, firstly, good evening to everyone here today, and I have to thank the Only team for calling me on such a special occasion to work for them. 10 years in India. I remember the first time I went to the Only stores, I'm sure it was 10 years ago, and I was super excited to have a brand like Only, a European brand in our country. So finally you could shop here and you didn't have to wait to go abroad. And just coming here today and being their showstopper is such a huge moment for me. So thank you really to the team of Only. It's such a wonderful brand.
Floor open to questions.
वही कह रहा क्या चल रहा था वॉक करते वक्त दिमाग में नर्वस थी एक्साइटेड थी क्या था आपके दिमाग में जब वॉक कर रहे थे?
तो एक्चुअली जब भी मैंने वॉक किया है कभी मैंने रिहर्सल नहीं की है, लेकिन आज क्योंकि स्टेज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, उन्होंने कहा कम डाउन एंड लेट्स डू अ लिटिल रिहर्सल. तो जो उन्होंने मुझे रिहर्सल पे कहा था जस्ट गो लाइक वन कूल शेक इन दिस बाइकर जैकेट एंड वॉक, वही मेरे दिमाग में था. सो आई लिटरली जस्ट केप्ट प्लेइंग दिस ट्रैक विद this my the choreographer kept telling me, and I just had fun. The crowd was so cool and the clothes are really cool. I love denims and I'm wearing a denim on denim look today. और मुझे मैं अपने on my own also in my own regular day-to-day life I wear a lot of denim. So yeah, I just felt like it was just me in something that I like wearing. So it was a cool fun walk. Sorry, huh?
One trend you always guilty about.
One
Trend you always guilty about.
trend that I'm guilty about.
Any single.
Honestly, I don't follow trends, so I can't really think of one that comes to mind. Yeah, I've never tried a trend only. I mean, I wear something that I like. I've never followed anything.
Kiara, good evening to you.
Good evening. How are you, Sumit?
Thank you so very much. Kiara, you are making very impactful in presence in film industry and in the web series also. And
Thank
now
you.
in the fashion industry also.
Yeah, if you're saying then I must be, because you are quite up to date.
So
Yeah.
it's a conscious decision to make yourself explore all the horizons.
Honestly, I've enjoyed, dressing up and, been involved in what I'm wearing ever since I was a young girl, before I even became an actor. I've always enjoyed dressing up and like putting looks together, and I feel it's just fun. It's just part of my personality. So I've never, it's not a conscious effort कि अभी मैं actress हूँ तो मतलब I better be proper, think of what I'm wearing. हाँ, थोड़ा pressure आप लोग वैसे डालते हैं हम पर, but I think initially था वो airport look का बड़े यार आज क्या पहनूँ, but now I repeat my jeans, I have my fun, and if you like it, you like it. And I think even हमारे जो the audience, like when I read a couple of social media comments, I think even they don't want to see the runway on at the airport. Everyone's like, yeah, like be in your track pants and be comfortable. So we're all at the end of the day normal human beings who, yeah.
अब आपको लग रहा है आपका समय आ गया है? मतलब like arrived?
I don't know if I've arrived, but I feel, honestly, I feel very grateful for the kind of work that I'm getting, and I feel very, very humbled when I get all the love from y'all, from the audience. I mean, इसी के लिए तो we're working hard, and I just really want to work harder and do more work and entertain y'all and make y'all proud, especially for people who put in so much faith in me. So really, dil se thank you.
Last question.
Kiara, there have been so many rumors about you and Siddharth. Please, if you want to clarify it, he's been blushing when you mention your name as well in few videos.
Honestly, whenever I'm in a relationship, I will share it with the media if I feel, I want to. But right now, my focus is on my career and on work, and I think that's how it should be. So I'm in a relationship with my job right now, and I'm loving this relationship.
Kiara,
That would be all.
Ending climax actually.
Done. We're done.
Kiara,
Okay, let him do the last question. I want to answer, so I'm running from here. Say.
नहीं ऐसा भागने वाला
अच्छा वैसा नहीं है, अच्छा बोल दो.
You are doing I take the question from my colleagues. You met Ranveer.
I did. I met Ranveer backstage.
Had the desire to walk on the ramp with him, like probably got a chance to be over there.
I'd love to work with Ranveer in a movie. I hope someday we do work together. But he's got such great energy and he's such a cool, cool person that I think today for the audience, I think they must have had a lot of fun because there were a lot of different personalities walking for different brands that we represent. So it was a fun day, all in all.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We don't have time right now.